It's I'm Abil Young, a student of the Batch 16 of the Certified Voice Artist Program. At ngayon, gusto ko lang din ilaan ang time na to para magpasalamat sa buong CVAP family for providing us relevant learnings and experiences. Though I can say that parang limited in ambitin rather ng time nito kasi sobrang bilis din at ang dami ng pangyayari, but with that limited time sobrang dami din ng positive impacts na nadulot sa akin ng CVAP. Unang-una dito is it helped me to believe in myself. Ayun talaga, yung statement na sino ba nagsabi na hindi mo kayang gawin? 'Di ba ikaw lang din? So, sa tingin ko, parang buong buhay ko nang dadalhin yung statement na yan. Parang whenever there's an opportunity and then I will doubt myself, parang lagi akong babalik sa statement na yon. At nakuha ko yun ng day one from Miss Pau. Isa yun sa mga impactful statements that I've heard from CVAP, which also made me to reflect in myself. And now, ina-apply ko siya sa kapag may mga opportunities na dumating. Kasi considering ako, takot po talaga ako mag-grab ng opportunity. And also joining here, the CVAP, this year is not on my plan kasi I feel insecure